All right, what's going on, y'all? Sean from Math Tutoring with another SAT type problem. This is one that I made up based on a real SAT problem, and it reads as follows. Larry is lifting weights with the goal of building muscle. His trainer told him to expect that his body weight increase from 2020 to 2021 be double his body weight increase from 2021 to 2022. What weight does Larry's trainer expect him to be in 2022? All right. So we got a couple of things going on here. So first of all, he has a body weight increase from the year 2020 to the year 2021. And it says that this body weight increase from 2020 to 2021 is double the body weight increase from 2021 to 2022. Okay. So, um, and it says, what weight does Larry's trainer expect him to be in 2022? So this is what we want to know here. All right. So the first thing is, what is his body weight increase from 2020 to 2021? To get from 150 to 157.5, that is plus 7.5 pounds. Okay. Now, so the question is to know what the percent increase is, we need to ask ourselves 75%. I mean, no, 7.5 pounds is what percent of 150? So 7.5 pounds is or equals what percent of 150? Because this is the increase. This is the numerical, the poundage increase. And we want to find now the percent increase. So that's how we're doing that. This is what percent of 150. Okay. I could put X over one. How do I let me see. How do I want to do this? I could say, um, how am I trying to rephrase this? Anyway, let me just kind of back up and then I'll kind of explain this later before I mix myself up. All right, so let's solve for X here by dividing both sides by 150. Okay. All right. And then 150 is, I mean, this is equal to 0.05. All right. In other words, and this as a percentage, is uh 5%. So this is a 5% increase. Okay. And so another thing that we could have done, I don't typically do it because I know what I'm doing without this piece, but you could have said 7.5 equals or you could have set it up with the is over of equals percent over 100. 7.5 out of 150 is equal to percent, which you don't know, out of 100. Okay. And so then this would be 0.05 equals X over 100. And then this will just give you X as a percentage. So that'd be 5%. Okay. Same thing. So his body weight increase from 2020 to 2021 is double his body weight increase from 2021 to 2022. So this is double the 2021 to 2022 increase. So that means 2021 to 2022 increase is 2.5%, right? Because this is double this. Okay, that's what they just told us. All right. So therefore, what is his final weight going to be in 2022? So we don't know that. So I'm going to call that X. His final body weight is going to be equal to, so watch this now. His final body weight is going to be equal to his initial body weight, which now is 157.5, plus that, plus 2.5% of that. Okay. So that's 157.5 times 0.025, or you could say 2 point you could say 2.5 out of 100, whichever one is suitable for you. So again, what we're saying is his final weight is equal to his initial weight plus 2.5% of that. Okay. So that equals 157.5 plus, and let's go ahead and okay, so that's, I'm just going to use all the decimal points, 3.9375 plus 0.5. And that gives us 161.4375. We'll just say that's equal to 161.44 pounds. Okay. So that's how you solve that. If you have any questions about the steps that I use to solve that, put them in the comments. Percentages. Be strong in percentages. I don't know what else to say aside from that. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share it with classmates or anybody else who would be helped by it. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.